To take a back of Microsoft Entourage email folder and other mailing stuff like contact, calendar, you can directly export in RGE format. But for Mbox, you can simply drag and drop the folder into desktop screen. To make a similar folder hierarchy in PST file, you have to manage the folder subfolder manually. Now, how to convert Mac Entourage data to Windows Outlook. First, you have to move data from Mac to Windows OS using USB or external drive. Install and run Mails Daddy Mbox to PST converter. Click on Browse button and choose Mbox file. Browse the location of Entourage mailbox. Choose Mbox file and click on Next button. For preview of mail, click on particular folder and select email. Press Export button to perform the bulk migration. Select all mailboxes and choose PST format. Select single or separate PST file for all mailbox. Date filter and create log file is optional. Browse the destination to save PST file. Click on Export button and wait for confirmation window. When it appears, click on OK button and check the destination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.